Welcome to 3D Printing for Women. Explore, learn, innovate. Today's video explores imaginative and entertaining 3D printed jewelry ideas, such as glow-in-the-dark rings and personalized pendants. Idea number 1. Customized picture pendants. Start with an intimate item. Picture pendants. Make bracelets or necklaces from treasured pictures or silhouettes. For depth and complexity, you can use a laser-engraved texture. To improve the appearance, use metallic or transparent filament. Engrave names or dates for a personalized touch. These items make meaningful handcrafted gifts or ideal mementos. Idea number 2. Pieces inspired by Art Deco. Next, use Art Deco jewelry to add some 1920s glitz to the present. Consider symmetry, gold finishes, and strong geometric lines. For a timeless vintage look, create striking necklaces or cuff bracelets and print them in silk or metallic PLA. Idea number 3. Jewelry in the form of animals. Try jewelry inspired by animals, such as birds, butterflies, or cats. For a fun, striking feature, include moving wings or tails. These patterns are lively, expressive, and personable, making them ideal for presents. Idea number 4. Abstract sculptures. Choose abstract sculptural jewelry that doubles as wearable art if you're an artistic person. Try creating fluid organic shapes with translucent resin or flexible TPU. They are distinctive as sophisticated, contemporary conversation starters. Pro tip: bringing your jewelry to life. Here's a beginner-friendly trick to make your designs truly sparkle. For durability and detail, always use premium filaments like PLA, PETG, or resin. Because PLA is lightweight, it's ideal for pendants and earrings. PETG is pliable and perfect for bracelets or rings. The smooth, polished, expert finish is provided by resin. Post-processing is important. Your prints can go from basic to boutique-ready with a little painting, polishing, or sanding. Experiment with multi-material printing or combine your 3D printed components with conventional jewelry. Jewels, chains, or charms. Every piece gains personality, color, and depth from this mix. Each design can be tailored to your preferences, making them ideal for personal use or gifting. Idea number 5. Moving or hinged jewelry. Hinged or kinetic jewelry, such as rotating pendants, movable rings, or open and close earrings, can provide a little movement. These pieces consistently draw attention. They combine engineering and artistry. For more movement and brightness, add charms or printed beads. Idea number 6. Symbolic and cultural designs. Next, explore symbolic and cultural designs, such as tribal-inspired patterns, Celtic knots, or mandalas. These classic designs bring innovation and tradition together. For a striking look, print them in metallic or colorful filaments. Idea number 7. Jewelry that glows in the dark. Glow-in-the-dark jewelry is truly amazing. Make pendants that shine softly after dark by printing stars, moons, or constellations with photoluminescent filament. It's enjoyable, futuristic, and ideal for gatherings or evening wear. Idea number 8. Jewelry with floral elegance. Use floral-inspired motifs, such as cherry blossoms, lotus blossoms, or roses, to include nature in your look. For a glossy, boutique-quality finish, use pastel or gradient filaments and cover them with clear resin. Stylish, feminine, and perpetually blossoming. Idea number 9. Customized birthstone or initial jewelry. Lastly, add birthstone rings or initial necklaces to make it genuinely yours. For every month, add new colored resin gems. Bonus idea: jewelry displays and stands. Make jewelry stands, trays, or earring holders to elegantly display your designs. These customized pieces are ideal for gifts or small business branding. 3D printed jewelry transforms creativity into wearable beauty, from personalized pendants to luminous celestial creations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.